Realizations while living overseas. Day off, it's not really a day off because once you're at home, you still need to do some household chores. Kini nakitaan lang ni nako somewhere and I totally agree na kung unsay problema sa imong pamilya overseas, mag-uul ka, maapil ka, pero kung unsay problema nimo diri imuhara. When you're gonna go on holiday for 1 week or maybe you have a plan of going home, pila na kabuwan na inandam, pila ka oras sa trabaho para lang na i-budget pa ulit. When you're going to flaunt ang unsa na imong na-achieve, like unsa imong napalit na mga things, pero they don't know unsa na nimo pagpalit, like unsa imong kahago na giagian para lang makuha na nimo. Kana mga musta imong pamilya overseas, mangutanan sila og how are you doing? Pero may isulti, okay ra ko. Kay di ka ganahan na mag-goal sila para nimo